Not good for that industry there, Bill.
Not good.
Do you like oysters?
I don't.
You don't?
I mean, if you do them like Rockefeller, like if they're baked with some garlic and breadcrumbs, I'm in. But I can't eat them raw.
Yeah,
it's just
lots of people don't like them.
The texture. I
That's
just can't do it.
That's it.
Hey, it's raining outside
It
here
is.
in the
We
medical
can hear
center.
it here.
Yeah, a little pitter patter on the rooftop here at Ken's 5. So, nice little isolated downpour. We don't have anything severe out there, just some more beneficial rains while we still have a little bit of instability to work with before the high really flexes its muscle and we lose rain chances. One thing that's so beautiful about the rain is not only that we need it and it helps with the drought condition, but we get gorgeous rainbows. Take a look at what was captured by Ken's 5 eyewitness Jesse Rubio yesterday in Medina, Texas. This is a small town west of Bandera in Bandera County, and that is a beautiful double rainbow. Thank you, Jesse. What a great shot. I mean, with the road and the center lines, that is good stuff. All right, outside right now, you can see in almost every direction, fair amount of cloud cover, some breaks in the clouds over Morgan's Wonderland Camp. We had some pretty dark clouds over the airport, and they were showing us some of the storms that are out there. Now, this is what's raining right on top of Ken's. We're in the Ken's 5's in the medical center. And so I-10, 410, that's where that downpour is. But notice not a whole lot of lightning with any of this. You can see some of that storm activity dropping south of Highway 87 and collapsing east of Floresville. Had some pretty good rain in New Braunfels that's dying out. A little bit of activity near Canyon Lake. And then this is what's raining on top of Ken's, about to move into downtown. And again, nothing severe out there. That's the good news right now. Temperature-wise, we're at 89, but it feels like 96. And that's because the dew point's over 70. East wind right now at about 11 miles per hour, so continuing to pour in that Gulf moisture at the surface. But if you look at the upper levels, water vapor is giving you an idea that this is really dry air. So mid and upper levels, because of high pressure being in control, but not flexing just yet, is why we've got a lot of dry air. Now, I want you to notice there is a system out to the west. Notice it's off the coast of California. Watch what happens. We put this in motion. The high pressure ridge builds in the coming days, so that low's diverted north into the Rockies and opens up and doesn't give us any change in our weather pattern. Underneath the high, we're going to really start to bake as we get into the weekend, and we're going to really dry out as well. Maybe a quarter of an inch to maybe half an inch in San Antonio over the next 7 days. But some pretty good coastal rains are in the forecast. In fact, looking ahead to some global model data, looks like we could see some pretty good tropical moisture moving in. The tropical rains on schedule for probably somewhere around next 8 to 10 days. It's looking like we get it on the coast by about the 18th, 19th, and 20th. Could be some pretty wet days moving into the San Antonio area. All right, 7-day forecast time. We're going to be heating up in the coming days. 95 tomorrow after the morning clouds, some afternoon sunshine, sunny and warmer on Friday, and then wrapping up the week, it's a sunny and hot Saturday with 97. Father's Day Sunday looking good, and the highest high of the week. Only a 10% chance of rain right now on the 18th. Most of that rain should still be on the coast. We'll be right back.